Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Dacia Duster. So from any screen, if we go into telephone here, you see pair device, select a device and delete a device. So we just turn it down to delete device, click delete device. You see there my phone, click on that one, delete a phone, now yes or no. So if you decide against it, you just turn that and knock it to no, but we want to delete that, so that's it. So just delete another one, down to delete, click on that, yes, delete. That's it done.